Hey everyone, so today we're doing a long-term review of this thing. This is the paper wallet or micro wallet. It's by paperwallet.com and I've had this thing for about 2.5 years. This is kind of a follow-up video from my 6-month review. You can see the link up here if you want to watch the 6-month review. But today I replaced the wallet and I want to go through why and just have a quick look around what this wallet looks like after 2.5 years of use. Now immediately you'll see that it's kind of all scuffed up. The corners are fraying a bit. Some parts of it is starting to rip. For those of you who don't know, it's made from a paper called Tyvek. I think it's used in like envelopes and stuff, so it's kind of very sturdy. It's got kind of like a plasticky kind of feel to it. I think it may be waxed on the top or something, but it's very, very tough. So it has the notes compartment up here, so you can put notes in here. You have to fold them obviously to fit in this area, but it has, you know, card slots on the side. It has a card slot area up here and on here as well. And overall, this wallet has served me very well for 2.5 years. If you look at the corners here, I actually ripped this open myself to see what was inside, but there are these kind of hard cards on either side, and that is to give it some rigidity, but also it blocks RFID. So when your cards are inside this wallet, they can't be read. So that's, you know, good or bad depending on how you want to use your wallet. If you don't like it, I guess you can take this card out and, you know, have your, I don't know, transit card or whatever, credit card be able to be tapped. But by default, they have those two RFID blocking cards inside there. Now the main reason why I had to switch this out was because the paper kind of expanded over 2.5 years and some of the cards are starting to slip out. So if I fold it open, some of the cards from this compartment would slide out very freely. So I thought, you know, it's a good time to replace it. So while I'm here, I decided to take this apart, you know, jerry rig style, just to see how it was put together. And I don't know, maybe you can make your own, but I think it's probably better just buy from them. It's pretty cheap. So let's start with how this unfolds. So starting with this part here, this kind of, I guess, oval shaped part. This part just folds straight out like this. It's starting to look a bit like a tissue box. After you unfold that out, you'll immediately notice, let me put this back in, that these tabs on the side, they're actually glued to the underside of this paper here. So you can't actually pull this out. I've kind of ripped it off already so you can see it. But after that, you kind of have to unglue or rip this tab out on the side like this, and same for the other side. So this tab comes out. This is glued to the bottom side of this. As you can see, it's ripped off. Once you've taken that out, this piece folds out like so, and then the rest of the wallet basically unfolds itself like that. So I'll get a better shot of this in a minute, but it looks a bit like a tissue box after it's fully unfolded. So these are the RFID blocking cards that's just glued on to this underside of the paper. I don't know if you can make this yourself. Honestly, I'd probably just buy it from them because they have really cool designs. But yeah, this is what it looks like, paper wallet. There's the logo down there, paper wallet there. So what did I replace this with? Well, when I originally bought the paper wallet, I bought two. So I just replaced it with the second one that I bought. So yeah, I don't know how long this thing will last me, but replaced it with the paper wallet. I bought two when I got it, and all the cards are still in there. This one feels a lot tighter because obviously this is a brand new, a fresh paper wallet. I actually had to take a few cards out because it doesn't fit anymore because this is so tight. But I think over time it will loosen and it will become, you know, like the old one over here. So anyway, if you are interested in the paper wallet, you want to know how long it lasts for, well, for me, it lasted for 2.5 years and it's made out of paper. So I think it's pretty cool idea. It's probably the slimmest wallet that I've ever had. And, you know, if it wasn't for the cards slipping out and the fact that I had a second one lying around, I probably wouldn't have switched out. But yeah, long-term review of paper wallet. I'd highly recommend it. I've used this for 2.5 years and I think I'll continue using this. So yeah, hope this was useful and thanks for watching.